Have you ever wondered how ordinary people are becoming millionaires faster than ever before? And no, they're not winning the lottery or robbing a bank. I'm going to break down the real reasons why people are building wealth today and how you can join them. We're talking smart moves, real strategies, and knowledge-based decisions that anyone can start using. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share one specific action that could completely change your financial future, something 90% of people overlook. If you think you are built for more and ready to achieve success, then subscribe for informative knowledge which can help you to achieve financial freedom faster. Now let's get started. Number 1. Digital leverage, making money while you sleep. Think about this. In 1990, to start a business, you needed an office, inventory, staff, and maybe a loan. Today, you can launch a brand on your phone, from your bedroom, before lunch. How? Through digital leverage. This means using tools like social media, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and online courses to scale income without scaling your time. Take Ali Abdaal, a doctor turned YouTuber who makes over $1 million a year, not from medicine, but from sharing productivity tips. Or Grace Beverley, who built a fitness empire online while in college. The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco says, "The internet is the greatest shortcut to wealth ever invented. If you build, not consume. Use the internet to create, not just consume. Every piece of content, product, or idea you share has the potential to earn, even while you sleep." Number 2. Multiple streams of income equals to modern safety net. Want to know a secret? Most self-made millionaires don't rely on just one income stream. In fact, 65% of millionaires have at least 3 income streams, according to Tom Corley, author of Rich Habits. Let's break it down. Imagine this. You have a 9-to-5 job bringing in $60K per year. A small Etsy store nets you $12K per year. You invest in dividend stocks, another $5K per year. You rent out a room on Airbnb, $10K per year, that's $87K total. And if one stream dries up, you've still got 3 more. Ask yourself, what's one way I could add an extra $500 per month to my life? Could you sell a skill on Fiverr? Start tutoring online. Rent out a car on Turo. Don't wait until a crisis to diversify your income. Build your safety net before you need it. Number 3. Investing early and often. If I told you $10 a day could make you a millionaire, would you believe me? Let's do the math. If you invest just $300 per month from age 25 to 55, with an average 10% return, like the S&P 500, you'd have over $600,000 without doing anything fancy. If you started at 18, that could be $1 million by retirement. This is called compound interest, and Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. The earlier you invest, the less you have to work later. Even if it's small, start now, future will thank you. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't a privilege anymore, it's a choice. A choice to stop watching others live the life you want and start building your own right now. Someone with fewer resources, less time, and more challenges than you is becoming wealthy. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need one thing, a decision. A decision to learn, a decision to start, a decision to stop settling. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, hit that subscribe button. We're committed to guiding you towards a future of financial stability and success. See you in the next one.